Incarcerated dancehall entertainer Vybz Kartel will have to wait until July next year before the appeal against his life sentence is heard. His attorneys requested more time to prepare the appeal. The hearing is now set to start on July 9.
So they have officially extended Vybz Kartel's trial date again. His trial was set for this year, and then they extended it to February of 2018. But this is not the court's fault or the government's fault. We have no one to blame for this but his lawyers. When my husband told me about this, the first thing I said was, something is up. I don't know if it's good, I don't know if it's bad, but over the course of the next few months, I'll give you guys my thoughts on it, if it's good or bad. But I know for sure, something is up. You guys know that a lot of these attorneys, these high-powered attorneys in Jamaica, are only there to drain these entertainers' funds and have them pay them, and they don't provide the services that they need. And quite frankly, if Vybz Kartel actually does not come out of jail in June of 2018, I think his lawyer have a big part to be blamed for that, because he didn't do his job in the first place. Kartel case was so corrupt and so tainted, any good lawyer could have got him off. Even though there was a lot of scrutiny and a lot of people watching because of who he is, and it probably was difficult for him, but still, he didn't do his job as far as I am concerned. And Kartel is still behind bars, dominating the dancehall arena as far as hit songs are concerned, because this man still have to take care of his children and still have to take care of his family that he has outside. Not only that, he has to pay these high-powered attorney a lot of money. And you know, in Jamaica, you know what they say, bullshit money talk and bullshit walks. So if you don't have the money, you know for sure they're not representing you. And you need a high-powered attorney when you're dealing with a murder case like Vybz Kartel, especially being that Vybz Kartel is in the public's eye all the time. So comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this story. Do you think the extension is good? Do you think it's bad? Do you think they're actually going to get more evidence to help Vybz Kartel? Do you think they're plotting to actually keep him in jail even longer? Comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this story. I smell something. I don't know what it is, but I know I smell something. Whether it's good or bad, we'll figure it out as this story continue to unfold. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm up out of here, man. Deuces.